Hey everyone, Justin Conroy, Financial Dad here, and welcome to the first ever Financial Dad Quick Tip, where I give you a quick tip related to personal finance, money management, or wealth building in under 3 minutes. And today, I want to talk about 401k company matching. So in case you're not aware, 401k company matching is absolutely a thing, and it's actually pretty simple to understand. It's basically when your company says, hey buddy, if you put some money into that account over there, we'll put in the same amount, up to a certain point. Statistically speaking, 401k company matching is only offered at about 50% of the companies in the United States, so there's a chance that your company may not actually have this type of program. But if they do, and that's part of quick tip number 1, check to make sure that your company actually has a 401k matching program, and number 2, if they do have it, make sure that you're taking full advantage of that company match. To be clear, full advantage in this case means make sure that you're contributing enough money into your 401k so that your company will match as much as they are willing to contribute. Make sure that you're maxing out that limit. It's really important also, if you work for a company and you think that you're already set up for this, you think that you're already contributing enough, double check, go and make sure. Sometimes mistakes happen, you don't realize they're going on. Sometimes companies make mistakes and they should be matching and they don't. So this is always something you want to watch out for. Just make sure that you're actually getting the full company match. National average for matching in the United States is somewhere between 3 and 3.5%. And so you may be thinking that's not really that much money, but ask yourself, if your boss came to you and said, hey, we're going to give you a 3.5% raise, would you turn it down? Probably not. So that's basically what you're doing if you're not contributing enough money to get the full match in your 401k. So how much is this really worth to you? Let's take a look. So I'm over here on moneychimp.com where they have a 401k investment calculator. I'll put a link down in the description. Let's say you're the average American making about $50,000 per year and you work for a company that'll do a 3% match. You put in 3%, they put in 3%, and your stuff grows. So 3% of $50,000 is $1,500 that you are going to contribute annually. They are going to do the same thing, your company. You're going to do that from the age of 20 to 60. So that's 40 years, and the average S&P 500 return is about 10%, depending on whether or not you look at inflation or dividend reinvestment. That's $1.4 million if everybody contributes. Now, if your company doesn't contribute anything, that turns into $700,000. So you're literally doubling your money in this case. It's a lot of money. Don't leave this on the table, whatever you do. If you want more info about 401k company matching, be sure and click on the video on the screen right there, because that video is about 10 minutes long and it goes into an in-depth discussion of everything you need to know about 401k company matching. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this video format, trying it out for the first time. This was fun. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.